Hi, this is Sean McCarthy from Combined Planning Systems, and this is your October Technique of the Month. This month we're going to look at the bob and weave, which is a defensive structure that we'll look at how to do it and then give you some combinations to go from. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the basic structure for a bob and weave. Now, a bob and weave is an evasion to a strike. So we're evading it. We're not trying to stop it. We're trying to move out of its way. So when we're looking at that structure, we're going to look at just the basic body dynamics of that. So with Lou is coming out here to give me a hand. So he's going to bob and weave from a wide right. Okay, again. Now, he evaded the technique, but he went too low, which put him in jeopardy from a low line attack from me. Okay, so now we're going to show you what I mean by put himself in jeopardy from a low line attack. So as he comes here, I can change that to a knee strike because he's so low. Okay, again, we'll go through that. One. So what we want to do when we're doing a bob and weave, we want to just evade the technique. So we want to scuff our head as close to that oncoming attack. So conservation of motion, we're being effective and efficient with that evasion. So when I go here, he's going to cover that, just go through. Again, he's going to go right underneath that arm, and he's right back up. Notice where he's looking. He's looking at the bottom of my throat, top of my chest, so he can see my whole body. He's not looking like he did in the first two times that we did this, where he's looking down just at my lower extremities. He wants to be able to see everything. So now we're going to do it again, but we're going to look at the general structure that we need to put in place. The general structure we need to put in place is we need to cover this line. Because if we don't cover this line and he goes down through, this shot's still there. So what we want to be able to do is cover this so that if this comes, he's got a structure that can cover that. So I may start at the high line and then shoot it down low as a fake. Use that high line as a fake to go to the low line. So when he goes down and covers that line, he's covering that structure from hip to head. Okay? Excellent. Now, the next way we're going to look at this is through a cross, which is a straight line punch. The technique can still be done. What he wants to do is, as he bobs and weaves through this, he's going to position himself at the back part of my arm. Gives him an outside line for a hook or other combinations to follow up on. So if I throw this cross, he goes to the outside line. Notice his structure stays the same to protect that from that technique changing from a straight line punch to a hooking punch. So if I go here, see, he's still in that position to cover. So if I throw a cross, he's over here, right? And back. Okay, so now let's take a look at some of these in combination. Okay, there's your technique of the month for October, where we looked at the bob and weave. Now, again, let's break down the structure again. Make sure that you're just bobbing and weaving just enough to evade the technique, but not too far that you're getting yourself into the low line. Also, make sure you're covering the line between your jaw line and your flank, so that you have that covered also, so that you have good structure all the way through. Give it a try. Hope you like it. We'll see you next month.